Hey everyone, welcome back to Milton Black Engineering Graphics. I'm Milton, and today we're continuing our FreeCAD journey by adding fillets and chamfers to the wine glass we built using the Revolve tool. If you haven't seen that video, check the link in the description below. Let's dive in and give our model some smooth and flat edges. We're in FreeCAD's part design workspace working with our wine glass from the last tutorial. Today, we are focusing on the fillet and chamfer tools to refine its edges. In FreeCAD, you can select edges or faces, but for fillets and chamfers, we need edges. Let's select an edge to see what options appear in the task panel. Select an edge, like the outer rim of the wine glass. The task panel now shows actionable tools, including fillet and chamfer. You can also find these in the part design toolbar. Let's start with a fillet to round the edge. Click the fillet tool and in the fillet parameters box, set the radius to 1 millimeter. Keep it small to avoid errors as the radius can't exceed the distance between edges. Click OK and check out that smooth, rounded edge. Now let's repeat the process for the inner edge of the wine glass. Select the inner edge, click the fillet tool, and set the radius to 0.5 millimeters again. Click OK. If you try a radius too large, FreeCAD will throw an error, so stick with small values for tight spaces. To center the model, right-click in the viewport and select Fit All for a better view. For the bottom rim of the wine glass, let's add a flat edge using the chamfer tool. Select the base edge, then click chamfer in the task panel or toolbar. In the chamfer parameters box, set the size to 1.5 millimeters for a subtle flat edge. Click OK, and now the base has a clean beveled look. Rotate the model in isometric view to inspect it. Let's continue filleting or chamfering the remaining edges as needed. Select each edge. Apply the fillet tool with a 0.5 millimeter radius for rounded edges. Double check your model to ensure all edges are refined. If you need to adjust, simply reselect and tweak the parameters. That's all for today's tutorial, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning how to use fillets and chamfers in FreeCAD. If this helped you, please smash that like button, subscribe to Milton Black Engineering Graphics, and hit the bell icon for more FreeCAD tutorials. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Next up, we'll explore the part design history tree. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.